statements that are being sent out to clients that outline fees will be sent out starting in July of 2016, although IROC has implemented this in March of, actually that's a typo error, it's not March of 2016, it's March of 2014. So if you are meeting with a client, you will be at some point in time saying to the client, if you're charging a DSC, you will be saying, you know, you're Mr. Prospect or Mrs. Prospect, you're investing $100,000. Want you to know that our firm will earn $5,000 in fees if you invest this way versus that way. If it's an A-class mutual fund unit, our firm will get paid $5,000 in commissions if this is the base, you know, if this is how you invest versus, you know, B-class, for example, where we don't get anything up front. It's staged in, the commissions are staged in, the fees are staged in over a longer period of time. Those conversations will be occurring up front. And they will know what they're going to be paying roughly in dollars and cents through the course of the year, but certainly at the end of the year they will get a statement. Well, you could call it a receipt. It's probably a good way to describe a receipt for the fees that they paid. Any and all fees that they paid that the firm earned, they will provide a receipt for it. That it will be up to the firm as to how much they want to disclose. There will be a minimum amount of information that has to be disclosed, and trailer fees will be one of them. All administration fees will be disclosed. Some firms may choose to disclose the total, in the case of mutual funds, the total amount of fees that are paid in addition to trailer fees. So the asset management fee that the fund company earns and all of the administrative, marketing, and legal fees that make up the remainder of the management expense ratio could, up to at the discretion of the firm, be disclosed to clients. But those would be the minimum that would be disclosed on an MFDA platform would be all trustee fees and all trailer fees disclosed in dollars and cents, unlike now where it's a percentage of the assets under administration disclosed in a fund fact sheet or in the prospectus. This is a receipt that will be sent out to the clients at the end of the year. In the case of IROC, in addition to trailer fees, they will also be disclosing IPO fees. Traditionally, a broker would say to a client that if you invest in an initial public offering of the stock, there is no commission, and they are technically correct. There is no commission, but there is an IPO fee. There's an investment banking fee. That fee can be broken down to per client, per amount the client invests. That will be disclosed in dollars and cents. So our firm earns a fee, and if we look at the pro rata share of the fee, this is how much you're paying. This is the difference between what we're paying for these shares and what we're selling them to you for. That's expressed in dollars and cents. That will be on these documents starting in March of 2014. In the IROC platform, the difference in the bid and ask on individual bond purchases will now be disclosed. So pretty much anything the client's going to pay in any fees that they would pay that will be fully disclosed to clients in March of this year if they're on an IROC platform.